Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Skincare Nerds. Today we're going to be covering vitamin C, which I know you've all been asking for. So today we're doing it. We're going to cover everything you need to know about this ingredient, so stay tuned. Maddie's just told me a fact that kiwi fruits have more vitamin C than oranges, so...
Yep, go right back.
That nearly landed on the camera.
Nearly.
So firstly, what is vitamin C? So vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps to protect the skin from free radicals, which can trigger a domino effect that leads to processes that can cause accelerated aging and other negative outcomes. You're probably wondering what the hell a free radical is. Some examples of free radicals include UV rays, smoking, and pollution. So the role of antioxidants is to absorb and neutralize damage-causing free radicals, and when applied to the skin, ingredients like vitamin C can be really beneficial. Studies show vitamin C can stimulate collagen synthesis, help to fade pigmentation, and also promote a brighter, more even complexion. So how do you choose a vitamin C? Well, much like retinol, which we've discussed in a previous video here, vitamin C has a lot of different forms that you'll find in your skincare products. Commonly, you'll see ascorbic acid or L-ascorbic acid on your ingredients label. The problem with this ingredient, as discussed on episode 5 of Skincare School, which you can go and listen to if you want to know more, is that it's notoriously unstable and can oxidize quickly. So go and have a listen to that episode if you want to know more of the sciencey stuff. Some other derivatives which tend to be more stable but are less studied than ascorbic acid are sodium ascorbyl phosphate, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, and ascorbyl tetra isopalmitate, which is actually oil soluble, and the other two are water soluble. Vitamin C also pairs really well when formulated with other antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help to support the stability of vitamin C, as well as coenzyme Q10 and ferulic acid, which you'll find in some very popular formulas, including SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. When looking for an effective vitamin C product, you want to look for something that has between a 5 and 15% concentration. Side note, not every single product will tell you what the percentage is, but some will, so keep an eye out for it. Just be mindful that vitamin C serums are not designed for the long haul. You should replace your vitamin C every 3 to 6 months. Make sure you keep your vitamin C in a cool, dark place because light, heat, and oxygen exposure all contribute to the degradation of the ingredient. Or you can pop your vitamin C in a beauty fridge to try and prolong its shelf life. But you'll know when your vitamin C needs to be replaced because often the color changes, it goes a bit more of a dark orange and the smell may change too.
What does it normally smell like?
It can vary. So some formulas will fragrance it with citrus, some will smell like ham, some will have no smell or can smell a bit acidic.
Okay.
So it just depends on the formula. Now, a common question I get is why should I use my vitamin C in the morning? The reason for this is because you want to make the most of vitamin C's protective antioxidant properties. So you can still use vitamin C at night, but I personally like to recommend it for AM use because I think you want to make the most of its benefits. Just be mindful of layering vitamin C at the same time as acids like AHAs and retinoids, which are commonly found in PM routines. These are already quite sensitizing ingredients on their own, and these acids just don't really play nicely together. For vitamin C to be its most effective, it generally needs to be at a low pH, which can be a little bit irritating or sensitizing on more sensitive or reactive skin types. I'm going to run you through some of my favorites, which I've never encountered an issue with, but who knows, everyone's different. These are some of my faves. Can we create a jingle for Joe's faves?
It's time for Joe's faves.
First up, Société Triple C. Now she's for my bougie bitches. She's $1.99, very expensive. But she's effective, she absorbs quickly. With a blend of multiple vitamin C derivatives, peptides, and botanical extracts, I do think she's worth the price tag, but I'm gonna walk you through some more affordable options if she's a little bit above your price range.
She's a lot above my price.
Yeah, or a lot above your price range, I don't know. Alpha H's vitamin C, which I also love, uses ethyl ascorbic acid, which has a higher pH but is less irritating, yet still effective. So I'd recommend that one for any sensitive Sallys out there, or sensitive Stevens, and it's suitable for all skin types and it's under $70. KORA Organics Noni Bright Vitamin C Serum is a great option for anyone who prefers to use more natural skincare. This one, like the other two I mentioned, also has a really nice texture, it absorbs well, and it's best for normal to dry skin types. It contains a blend of natural extracts, including kakadu plum, which is very rich in vitamin C, as well as 12% ascorbyl glucoside.
Kakadu plum is up there with king.
Can you put like a scale of the fruits that have the most vitamin C?
Sure.
Yeah, top 5, I think. Next up is Dermalogica's Biolumin-C. So this one contains a blend of vitamin C derivatives, peptides, and lactic acid. So this one acts as a gentle exfoliating serum as well as a brightening serum. The texture is really pleasant and versatile in terms of layering, and this one's suitable for all skin types. Then for our bargain hunters, we've I've got hair in my mouth. We've got Boost Labs Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This one contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, vitamin E, and niacinamide. You can snap that one up for under $30. And if you're interested in The Ordinary, we've done a complete separate guide on how to navigate the vitamin C products in their range.
How do you include it in your routine?
So I generally will use vitamin C on cleansed skin. And then you can use things like hyaluronic acid over the top without any issues. And then I just do my sunscreen. That's it. Doesn't have to be complex. Vitamin C, something hydrating, and your sunscreen, or you can do a moisturizer before your sunscreen. Up to you. I think that's covered everything you need to know about vitamin C. As a wrap up, if you're looking for something that's going to help even out your skin tone, help with hyperpigmentation, work as an anti-aging serum as well, vitamin C is going to be your best friend. If you want to know more about vitamin C, you can leave your questions in the comments below and I'll try and get back to them. But make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll see you next time.